Next up on the list is insight cards. Now, insight cards are available. Next on the list are insight cards. And insight cards are available to us as an out-of-the-box function at the enterprise and professional level. At the enterprise, insight cards are available to us at the enterprise and premium levels. And they're out-of-the-box cards. You can add your own, of course, that allow us to get a glance either on a record or on a dashboard about some things that we may want to be reminded of. You can see an example here on my screen for the opportunities close date insight card, which would show up on an opportunity as the estimated close date became near. And so if I come back over and look at a particular opportunity, you see these cards here on the top of the form. And this close date has passed. These, again, provide reminders for the user, and they're easy to turn on and turn off.